Instructions for replacing the brake knob on the B8860S. Unscrew the screws securing the left and right decorative covers. There are 6 screws in total. Remove the left and right decorative covers. Remove the 3 screws securing the brake pads. Adjust the angle of the brake pads and remove them. Unscrew the 4 screws beneath the brake knob. Remove the brake knob. Use tools to remove the brake lever and spring from the frame. Insert the spring and brake rod. Insert the brake knob. Tighten the 4 screws beneath the brake knob. Adjust the angle of the brake pads and install them on the freewheel. Secure the brake pads with 3 screws. Reinstall the left and right trim covers.